Hi, today we are going to see how to create a Google slide. First of all, go to your browser. In the home screen, type slides.google.com. Here you have to click under the Start a New Presentation blank icon. Then a new untitled presentation will be open. Here, a plus button that can open a new slide or new slide with new type of layout. Here you can undo or redo from here. You can also print your slide from here, and the format painter button is in the right of the print, and you can zoom in or zoom out from here. The select icon is in here. Also, in the right side, the text box icon, you can insert image from your drives or Google Photo by camera or upload from computer. You can also add shape, arrow, callouts and equation from here. And from here you can add lines. Also in your presentation you can add comment and change your background. In the right, there is different type of layout that you can use. And also there is different type of theme. If you want to slideshow your presentation, then here is a slideshow button. You can also present it like a meeting from here. In the share button, you can share your presentation or Google slide to anyone you want. Google will automatically save your presentation to Google Drive. In the upper side of this, you can see share, new, open, import slide, make a copy, email, download button is here. You can also edit, redo, undo, redo, paste without formatting, select all, find and replace from edit. In the view button, you can slideshow, motion, theme builder, grid, zoom, guides, ruler, snap to, full screen, show comments, show film strip and show speaker note. In the insert button, you can insert image, text box, audio, video, shape, table, chart, diagram, word art, line, special character, animation, link, comment and new slide. Also in the format button, you can format the text, alignment, line, paragraph spacing, bullet numbering, also clear formatting and borders and lines and format option. In the slide button, you can add new slide, duplicate slide, delete slide, skip slide, change background, apply layout, transition, edit theme and change theme. And in arrange button, you can bring your slide into the order. There is a tool button also, check your spelling, Q&A history, dictionary, link object, script editor, voice to voice type, speaker note, etc. So that is the Google slide. If you like the video, give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.